Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to create a one file. So the file will be index13.html. So it is taking us a little bit time because so my extension is initiating. That's why it is taking a some time. So what we are going to be discuss today, we are going to be discuss about a JavaScript booleans. Booleans is what? So whether it is a true or false, on or off. So something like this. So document. So then I want to add one thing called a booleans. Enter. So I want to call a script. So here I want to check the boolean value. So what is the boolean value? So as I told boolean, so whether it is a true or false, just the condition is to be true or false. So let's check with the condition one by one. So where we are going to be check the condition, something like that. So you are registered user or not. Let's say I will going to check one condition. What is that condition? So document dot right of is 10 is greater than 9. What you are telling that? So you are telling that my question is 10 is greater than 9? If it is yes, true or is false. So obviously, if this condition is correct, 10 is greater than 9. Yes, 10 yes means what? So that is a true. So if I want to right click, open it the live server, so it has to be run. So true is there. Why true? This is the document dot right. The 10 is the number, so greater than is a symbol. So it means what I am checking, if the 10 is greater than 9, so this expression is there, no? So I am checking whether it is a 10 is greater than 9. Yes. What if I do 19? If 10 is greater than 19, no. So then the answer will be false. So true and false. So something like that. So this is called a what you can say booleans we can say. Okay, so like that we can booleans is there. The next is a comparison. So I will take one more thing called a document dot right is equals to if 10 is equals to 10, save it, run it, will go here. See, the first one is a false because is 10 is greater than 19? No. So that is a false. Is 10 is equals to 10. So here if it is a double equals to means it is a comparison of a value between the this value and this value. So that is called a comparison. So document dot write 10 10 is there. So it is going to be compare two values. Document dot write 10 10 is equals to 10. So this is the comparison. So how to compare the value in the sense, so document dot write is there 10 10. So if it is a equals to means what happens, so it is called an assignment. What is assignment? Whatever the value is from the right side, that is assigned to the left side. But here it is a value is there, you cannot assign the value. If it is a variable, so the 10 is stored into an x. Okay, so this is we are going to do. So comparison is it is going to be compare the value and data type. What is the data type? This is the integer. If it is a string type means here also, if it is a string type means here also I can mention the string type. So this is how comparison the value. Okay, so one more thing is uh, document dot write of is 100 is less than 200. My question is what expression is I am telling that 100 is a less than 200. Yes. So then what is the value? The value should be a true. The first one is what? The 10 is greater than 19. I am checking. I am telling that the 10 is greater than 19. That is why false. So here it is a, the first one is a false. So if you want to make a sum break here, plus BR. So all three I will copy paste here as well, here as well. Save it, run it. Why? What is mistake? Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. It is not possible. So what I will do? I will do expressions here. Save it, run it. See here, the false, true, true. What is here? 10 is greater than 19. So I am telling that number 10 is greater than 19. No. So then the condition will be false. First one is a false. Second one is a 10 is equals to 10. Means I am telling that this 10 number is equals to 10 means okay, this is a true. So that's why here it is a true is there. Same thing. 10 is 100 is less than 200. Yes, obviously. 100 is less than 200. That's why here it is a true is there. I want to make a something. I want to make a 11. I will make it 300. The first case is 10 is greater than 19? No, false. Is a 10 is equals to 11? No, false. Is 300 less than 200? False. So all three cases are false. Okay. So this is how what you can say. True false boolean, we can say it as a javascript booleans. Okay, so this is how you are going to be know about the javascript booleans. So in the interview they are asking what is a boolean. So boolean is the value of either true or false condition. It is always comparison between the what you can say two values. So like that, so we have a different comparisons, equals to, double equals to, less than, greater than, so many things are there. So we are going to be discuss one thing one by one. Okay, the first one is the comparison. So comparison, what happens? So here already discussed. So what is a comparison? Comparison will be happen between the every two values. So always comparison means what? So it is happening between the two values. Okay, so now here what happens? The next is I want to take a one condition. So I want to write a one condition. So if I will take a, what is the if means, it is a condition. One condition is it. Age is less than 18. Document dot write something like that. You are not allowed to enter a scary house. Okay, so this is a thing. So if I run means it is throw an error. So what error? So if you just do Control Shift I or else right click, inspect. So if you go for the console, see here, the age is not defined, obviously. So I am calling the age, but I'm not defining anything here. So how to do this one? So the constant, I want to define a one variable. So that is a age equals to 10. Okay. If what is the age value now? So that 10 is 10 is less than 18. Yes. So then what is it? You are not allowed to enter a house. You are not allowed to enter a scary house. Okay. So this is the how the condition is there. So, and one more thing is there, logical operations. What are the logical operations? You might seen in your engineering or somewhere. So this is called an and. This is called an or, and this is called a not. Okay. So this is the and, or, and not. Okay. So these are all the what you can say, conditions. Okay, so where we are using? Yes. If age is greater less than 18, and I will add one more condition, and something called a, so patient equals to heart patient, something like that. Okay, so I need to define, just I am okay, I will make a ID proof is equals to Aadhaar. The constant ID proof equals to, okay. So I will take a one more example, not this one. Okay, so the first one is uh, the age is less than, okay, this is the, what you can say, age is less than 18, so then you are not allowed. Okay, and one more thing, what happens? So we are going to be call a, what you can say, uh, two conditions. So and or, okay. So in the conditions we are going to be loop. So there I want to be explained clearly. So and means what? So if age is less than 18 and you are and not an heart patient, or you are an heart patient, then you are not allowed to enter a scary house, or else your age is less than 18, or and you are in a heart patient, any one of them, so then you are not allowed. So this condition is age less than, and sorry, age less than 18, and and one more condition, what? So so then you are not allowed to enter. So same thing. So there are two conditions and three conditions, and not equals to. What is the not equals to? If it's the age is the not equals to. So what is the not age? If I make a age is what is the age is 10 and not equals to means 18. So your age is not equals to 18 means then you are not allowed. Again the same message will be printed. If I make age to 18, so it will print. So there is a one more condition will come, so that is else. Okay, if the condition is false, this block. Okay, then if it is another condition means what to display, that is we are discussing in the loops. Okay, so this is the what we can say, that is the logical operators. Okay, so one more thing, it will come called a, what you can say, ternary operations. What is a ternary operations? So there are two conditions are there. Okay, what is a ternary operation? The ternary operation in the sense there are just I will tell, if you just Google it, Mozilla ternary operations. Just go here. Okay, so just I want to show the ternary operation. What is this one? Run it. So here function get fee is a member. Okay, console true, console fee is false. Okay, so what is the is a member? Is a member means a $2, or else it is going for the a $10. So like this. So here what happens? So get fees is a member when if he paid if he is a member, then he has to be pay the $2. If not, he has to pay the $10. So here this is the how the ternary operation will be happen. So that is the it is check for the condition. If it is a true, so this is the block or else, and this is the thing it has to be printed. So let I will create a one example. Okay, so how to create an example? Just a minute. Okay, so now first I want to create a one example. So how to create an example? I will take a, I will just close this one. I want to create a one function. So first I will create a one button here. So click me. So this is my button name. Then I am going to be called a my form. Sorry, what is the event? So on click is an event. So when I on click is an event, my function is a my function name. Okay, so this is I have created. So click click me is there. Then I want to call a script. So then okay, so what I want to call, so I want to call the my function. So what is the my function? The function my fun is a function name, open close brace. So this is a my function name. So now let age equals to, sorry, not let age equals to, so how to get the age? So that is from the document dot get element by id of age dot value. So this is the value. So then what I want to do, let o table. So I taken a one variable o table equals to, uh, I am taking a one condition. Age is less than 18. If age is less than 18, okay. What is the condition? The condition is what? You were not allowed to scary house. Something else. What is the condition? And one more condition is yes, you are allowed to enter a scary house. Okay. Now what I have to do, just I want to enter the value. So after entering the value, so it has to be uh, uh, the print. So the next condition is document dot get element by id of demo dot inner html equals to, what is the variable? So this is the variable I want to pass. So o table, and I want to add a some text, or o table or scary, uh, what is this one? Scary house. Copy. So scary house. Eligible. Eligible. So, okay, what is the condition here? So I want to take the value from here, from where, from the function. Okay, from the function I want to take the value. So then I want to pass the value. So how to pass the value? How the 80, how to pass the value? So we have taken an age. Where is the age? So here I want to follow one thing called the input. So you can take anything. By default, it is be like a text. And what is this one? ID. ID equals to age. So from here we are going to be take this ID attribute, and the value you are going to be enter here. Okay. So then now what happens here? So input type equal to text, ID equals to age, value equals to I want to enter. So just I want to make a 17. Okay, save it. So what is happening here? So just I want to do here. I want to see here and click here. Okay, so on function is not one error is there. So that is index 3.html 12 is there. What is this one? Click me. So on click on function. Yeah, so this is a I done a mistake. Here why different? I defined a my function. Here it is a on function. I have defined wrong. Save it. We'll go here and we'll go to console. 17 is there. Click here. So still error A is not defined. So where is the A is not defined? Yes, here it is a the A is not defined. Why A is not defined? Here the age I have taken, so I have done a mistake. Age. So this is the how we have to debug the code. So console re- so just click here. So again, so index 30.html, yes, obviously. So I am doing a demo. So I am going to be assign the value for the demo. Where is the demo? So that is demo I need to display here. So I want to take a h2 hash demo. So now the demo attribute value it is going to be print here. So just I want to go here, save it. So click here. See, you are not allowed to scary house eligibility. So eligibility. Okay, so this is the if I click here, you are not allowed to scary house eligibility. So why? So what is the program it is happening? So this is the input type a text value equals to 18. So this is the code, and the click me is the button. So that button it is calling the sorry, it is happening the on click event. From the on click event it is calling the my function. From the my function it is what is happening, let age equals to what is the age. Age is a variable, it is going to be take the value from where document dot get element by id age. What is the age? The 17 inside a text box value is there, no? So that is taking from here. Okay, so then what is happening here? So whatever the value it is there, so 17 is there. That 17 is stored into an age. Now the age attribute is containing the value 17. So then I want to create a one more variable scary house. I am checking the condition. If age, what is the age? 17. Is 17 is less than 18? It is checking the condition. This is the question mark is checking the condition. So if the condition is true, okay, okay, then it is telling that. So this is the execute this one, or else go for this one. You are not allowed to. If the condition is true, so always it is a condition true, and this is the condition is false. If what is the condition? My condition is if age is 17 is less than 18, means what? So the negative will be there. So minimum positive value when it will come. So if you make as a 7, 19, okay. So there then you are not allowed to enter a house, or else you are allowed to scary house. Okay. So what is the condition if age is less than 18, so then you are not allowed to scary house. Okay, why? Because the condition is so always it depends on this is the age. What is the age now? 17. Is 17 is less than 18? Yes, then you are not allowed to enter a house. If it is 19 something like that, so then it is going to be, you are allowed to be houses. So it is checking the condition. The condition is matches, run this one or else run this one. Okay, so then I will take up 90, save it, run it, will click here. Yes, yes, you are allowed to add, allowed to scary house eligibility. Just I will change 10 here. We'll see. See, you are not allowed to the scary house. If I make a 25, see, initially you are not allowed to scary house is there. If I click here, yes, you are allowed to scary house. Okay, so this is how it will works. So this is called a ternary operation. What is a ternary operation? The condition, and it is the if it is a true, this one. If it is a false, this one. So this is how it is going to be works. So this is a ternary operations you are using oftenly in your coding. Okay, so then we have so many things, different conditions. We are not going for all. So you just practice what is a ternary operations, what is the conditions. So what is the condition? So that is a greater than, uh, greater than, less than, so like that. So many scenario will come. So that is what we are going to be discuss here. So now what I want to do, I want to go for the conditions. So the conditions are very very important. So why conditions are very important means, throughout your application, so whenever it is a validation process will come, no? So there you are going with the conditions. So that's why the condition is very important. So just a minute. Hello, hello. ಹಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಬರ್ತ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಾ ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. Sorry. So next is the conditions. Okay, what is the conditions? Okay, so conditions and sorry, loops. What is the loops and what is the conditions? So conditions is mainly there are comparisons we have seen. So that is a greater than, if it is double equals to means comparison the value, not equals to, and or. So these are all the logical operations and all. So now it's the conditions will become. So the what is a condition? So what is the minimum condition? So if you have ID card, you are allowed to enter the session. Or if you have an ID card, you are allowed to enter a college. If you have a ticket, you are allowed to enter the cinema theater. All these conditions are a condition. These are things are called a condition. Same thing we have a, so some conditional statement. Every often when you write a code, you want to perform a different actions for a different decisions. Yes, you can use the conditional statement in your code to do this. Use the if to specify the block of a code to be executed if specified condition is true. Okay, what is the condition? Okay, you are coming to the cinema theater. You should have an what we can say, cinema ticket along with your Aadhaar card. Okay, because so that is a scary house. So you are allowed to be enter with a ticket, and you should be above 18. Your age should be above 18. Same thing, and one more thing is there. So there is a else condition is there. Okay, if condition is he has a see, I am giving it an example. Okay, not every example will be the same. Just a minute. Yes, sorry, there is a connectivity issue. Okay, so here what happens? There is a conditions. So what is the condition? The condition is a use a if to specify the block of a code to be executed. If the condition, I am taking a one condition. So many conditions should be there. If you're going for the any gate, so they are asking where you from, what is the show your ID card. So this is also condition. The first one is a if to specify the block of a code to be executed if the specified condition is true. So that is a if condition. What is the if condition? You should have an ticket along with the you should have an Aadhaar card. Okay. Okay. So that is a one condition. Then you are allowed to. Okay. Some people is having a ticket but they don't have an Aadhaar card. So there is a one more condition we have to give. So that is so. Okay, so first one is what? If condition. The if condition, what happens? It will check the condition. If it is if you have a ticket and you have an Aadhaar card, you are allowed to be enter a cinema theater. Because so this is the scary house. What if he don't have neither a ticket or a Aadhaar card? Then there is a else block will be there. So that is called you are not allowed to enter a cinema hall. So this is the if condition is for what? If you have a ticket and if you have an other card, then you are allowed to be enter a cinema theater. So we need to give one more condition, right? That is a else. If you don't have a or either one of either document, then you are not allowed to enter a cinema theater. So there is a one more condition will come. So I have a ticket, but I don't have a Aadhaar card, but I have a TL. So there it is a condition. If you have a ticket, if you have a other DL also, then fine. Then you are allowed to enter a house. Sorry, cinema theater. So this is a switch is there. We will explain in the next session. The first one is the if condition. So just I want to go here. I want to take a one more script tag. Inside a script tag, I want to write a so hours is there. Okay. The first condition is a hours. So let what is this one? Hours equals to something called 18. I will mention. So 18 means what? 4. What is this? 6 o'clock. Okay. If the hours is greater than 18, what is that? 6 o'clock means what? If hours is greater than 18 means what? So, uh, so that is a 6 o'clock. So then what is the timing? So document dot the right of good evening. Okay, so this is the one condition. So just a good evening. So save it, run it. We'll go here. We'll save. See here. Okay, so here what happens? Uh, Ours is I will make a 19. If ours is greater than 18 means, so this is a 6 o'clock, this is a 7. So then what it is? So that is a, it has to be from the a good evening. So this is the one condition. See, the condition might be anything. It is ours is there. It should be an ID card. If you have an ID card, you are allowed to enter a cinema theater. You are allowed to enter a what you can say uh, parking. So many scenario. If you go for so where and all we are using this condition. If you go for the parking slots, if you go for the cinema theater, And if you go for the, any visiting places, so if you go for the buses, so they are asking a ticket, right? If you have a ticket, you are allowed to enter. If you go for the platform ticket in the railway station, so they are going to be check the condition. If you have a platform ticket, you are allowed to stay in the platform, or else they are going to be sent out and outside. Okay. So this is the condition. If hours is less than, so my condition here it is a, see here they took as a less than, I have took is a greater than. Okay, so if it is a greater than 18, so let's I will take a 14 instead. If it is hours, hours means what? 19. 19 means what? 7 o'clock. It's 19 is greater than 40, then this is a evening. So if it is a something called a 13, so 13 is what? 1 o'clock. So I will use a one more thing. So I displayed about a evening thing. So I want to display the one more condition. What is this one? So document dot write of, what is this one? So hours is there. So 13 is there. So now good evening is there. Good afternoon. Save it. We'll go here. Okay, so we'll run here like this. See now the good afternoon. Why? Because my hours is the 13. Okay, so what is the hours variable content? So the value is 13 is greater than 14. No, then this block will be not executed. This is the skipped. So here it will come. It will run the afternoon. So that is the good afternoon. What I will do? I will make a 21 and I will make a 15. 15 means what? That is a 3 o'clock. 21 means 9 o'clock. So now the 21 is greater than 15, right? So then the is the good night or a, sorry, good evening or a good night. Save it and document on good afternoon when it is a good afternoon. So when it is a less than 13, 30, below 3 o'clock means, so then we can treat as a afternoon. After 3 o'clock we can consider a evening or a night. Why evening or night? So the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock is the evening time. Same thing, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock is night. So that's why I mentioned this one. Okay, so this is how the condition is there. The if is a one thing, so that will be executed for the true condition. Okay, and else is a one thing. This is a one more condition. It is going to be uh, tell. So this is the either this condition. If it is not matched, then it will come here. So I want to take a one more example. Okay, so let age 1. So already I think age I took above. So I take a age 1. The age 1 equals to uh, what is this one? 25. Okay. So then what is the condition? If age if age, so age 1 greater than 22. Okay. So then document dot write of, you can enter a cinema theater. Okay, so cinema theater. Then okay, if your age is less than 22, then we need to give one more condition, right? So that is condition we are giving here in the else. Open close brace, enter. So sorry, document dot write of, sorry, you are not allowed. Okay, so this is the age. And one more thing, so this is a if you're not allowed to enter. So if you go here, run here, so we'll go here. You can enter the cinema theater. So you can enter the cinema theater. Why? Because the age one is at 25. So that 25 is greater than 22. Yes. So then this is the true block will be executed. So then this block will be not executed. Got it? So this is a what how we can segregate. So that is the if condition. The if condition is not satisfied, then it has to be coming for the else block. So if I make age will be something 16, save it, and if you go here, sorry, you are not allowed to enter a cinema theater. So you can add whatever the things you want with the text. So that is a theater. Okay. So this is the condition is there. So what we got to know? So there are two conditions will be there. So the if condition, it is going to be checked for the specific condition. If that condition is matched, then it will be executed. And one more thing, I am checking the if condition. If it is not matched, then it is going for the else blocker. Okay. Same thing. And one more thing it is coming, the else if condition. So if is what? If the condition is true, that is the block will be executed. Okay. So if the condition is matches, so this block will be executed. And this is else block is what for what? So this is for something. Sorry. So this is for it is executed only when this condition is not matched. So what happens? So we have a one more condition. So if your age is below, then you are not allowed. If age is greater than 22, you are allowed. And we have a one more condition. So I will just uh, do an one more little bit change. Okay, so instead of age I will do Aadhaar card. Okay, so card one. So card one is a Aadhaar card. Okay, so this is the card one. So here the card one equals to, so here what happens? Other card. Save it, run it. We'll go here. Sorry, you are not. What is the mistake? The card one is here. Yeah, sorry, not equals to. Great, equals to. Save it, run it. So here what happens here? If you want to enter something scary house or cinema house, you should have an Aadhaar card. Okay, if you have an Aadhaar card, then you are allowed to enter a cinema. So what is the card one here? The card one is variable. It is showing the Aadhaar card, and double equals to, it is going to compare the value. So if you have an Aadhaar card, so then you are allowed to enter the cinema theater. So there is a one more condition. Some people they might don't have a Aadhaar card, then they might have a what you can. Okay, so if you have an Aadhaar card, first condition is what? If you have an Aadhaar card, you are allowed to enter a cinema theater. Then, if not, you don't have an Aadhaar card, means you are not allowed to cinema theater. How to check? So Aadhaar card, instead of that one, I have a PAN card. So is card one means what? Is PAN card is equals to Aadhaar card? No. So then this block will be not executed. Then this block will be executed. So you are not allowed to enter the cinema theater. Okay, so this is the condition. So what happens? So it will check the condition. If it is a not match, then it is going to come here. So what we will do? We are going to be give one more condition. So that is a else if. Okay. So just instead of card, I will take a okay. If your card is Aadhaar card, so let the card sorry card one card one. So this is the first condition one. If it is having a Aadhaar card, then only you are allowed to be entered. And some people don't have a they have a DL or something. So how to do? Yeah. So that is what we are doing here. So here the card one, Aadhaar card is there. So I want to take one more card. Later, a card two equals to PAN card. Okay. Some people is having a Aadhaar card and some people is having a PAN card. The first condition is what? Aadhaar card. If everybody's Aadhaar card is having, you are allowed to enter, or else it is going to be not enter. So then we will give a one more condition if a card 2. So that is a the card 2 is equals to what is this one? PAN card. Then uh, document dot write. Yes, still you are allowed to enter a cinema theater. Okay, so what is happening here? The card one is a Aadhaar card and a card 2 is a PAN card. If a card 1 is matching the sorry, if card 1 is a Aadhaar card, if the card 1 is matching, so then you are allowed to you can enter cinema theater. And one more thing, card 2 PAN card, so document dot you are still allowed to. So some people what happens? So if they will ask right, if you don't have an Aadhaar card, at least submit the PAN card. Okay, so that is possible, right? So that is why how we are giving a one if condition. If the condition is true, then it is going to be executed. Else, if condition is false, so that this will be executed. Document dot write. Yes, still you are allowed to enter a cinema theater. Okay, so neither you have a Aadhaar card and PAN card, then you are not allowed to else open close brace. So document dot write of sorry, neither you don't have Aadhaar or a PAN, Aadhaar or a PAN, you are not allowed to enter a theater. So what is happening here? The first one is there is a first what we given the card with Aadhaar card. If you have Aadhaar card, you are allowed to be enter. So that is the one condition. So if they don't have that one means so then we given a one more thing called a else. If you don't have a Aadhaar card, then you are not allowed to enter. What we thought we are going to be give one more option. If you don't have an Aadhaar card, at least give the PAN card. So here else if card to equal to PAN card, even if it is not matched, the document not right, you still yes you still are allowed to enter the cinema theater. Why? Because you have a PAN card. So if you don't have a Aadhaar card and if you don't have okay, it will check for the first condition. If you don't have an Aadhaar card and again the one more condition, if you don't have a PAN card, then you are not allowed to enter the cinema theater. Got it? So let card 1 equals to Aadhaar card, let card 2 equals to PAN card. So I am checking the two conditions. If the two conditions are not matched, then you are not allowed to filter a cinema theater. Got it? So this is called a how to check the conditions. So got it. So let card one, card two, how the condition will be there. So we are going to be discussed like this many conditions by tomorrow. So if conditions, else if conditions, then we are seeing a loop, for in loop, for off loop, while loop, rec, iterable loop, set to map to types of conversions and all. Okay, if you do so, know that almost all we are going to be complete the major topics. So then we are going to be discuss the object, functions, classes, async, DOM, BOM, Ajax, and the JSON. Okay, so this is we are going to be discussed the deeply, so no need to worry. So now we are going to be stop this session. So you just practice it